Okay, so this is the back view. So this is as if you were in a live person class and the teacher was at the front starting the form from seeing his back, seeing my back. So, okay, so again, we'll start in V, sinking the chi from the crown of the head down, keeping your structure of the bones upright and melting all the yin, soft tissue and blood and everything down to the feet. Once you've settled into the feet, start to turn the left foot to match the right foot, so the parallel 45 degrees to the right. Taking a step out with the left, so that the left is now facing to the front of the room. And we're going to settle into the right foot, pumping up off the right, settling into the left, at the same time turning the heel of the right, so that now both feet are 50-50 parallel and sinking into your feet, into the stance. From here, you're going to initiate commencement, rising the chi, pumping the feet up each muscle and joint up the body to commencement, and then waving and releasing the chi down to the feet. From here, we turn the left foot in, almost 45 degrees again. 50-50 weighting, slightly to the back, and we're going to start to roll the shoulder and the foot at the same time, unlinking the joints. Heel the toe for ward off right. Transferring the weight from the back to the front. Here, take a step out to the front of the room for our ward off left. Turning the heel to 45, settling into the stance, sinking the chi, and rising the chi slightly, sinking the chi, turning this toe in to start to melt the chi, pour the chi down to the front leg. From here, unwinding for our beginning of grass sparrow's tail. Ward off, roll back, G, press, rolling over the ball to push. Here, roll back to begin Dambian or single whip. Here, punching out, rotating over the heel again, single whip, pressing out slightly, settling into your stance, down, back up and pumping down. Here to raise hands, bringing the hands in, releasing the shoulders and the hands down, bringing the foot in, raising the left hand, stepping out heel to toe to transfer the weight 50-50 for a cow or shoulder bump. Here, sinking the chi down the body, down to the front foot, pumping up off the front foot to white crane spreads wings. Releasing the right hand, melting the chi down to the feet, pumping the chi up the body, and then parry, turning the left foot in slightly in the knee, and back out, stepping out, heel to toe for brush knee left. This is an auxiliary movement, so I'm going to pour the chi down the body, out the shoulder, slightly kick out, to the back leg, on, pumping the chi up to play the lute. Sinking the chi again, rising the chi, pumping up for the second brush knee. I'm going to back up a little bit from the second brush knee. We're going to back up onto the back leg, turning the front foot out. Here. Then I need to back up again. Enough space here. We're going to kick out. Here. Step up, parry with the left. Punch. Left one comes under the right elbow. rolling under the ball for press, tui. We're going to stretch away from the front foot and the front hand. Or chop to the right, rotating in the left heel to the front. The right heel is 45, drags in to neutral, just like in the start of the form, and then waving and releasing, swinging down to the feet, to cross hands, to the end of the first word of the form. Okay, so that's from the back view. So you have to watch, there's many views, side view, too, so I'll film more so that you can get the best review of the first word of the form. Thank you, bye.